sport do you play in the summer? In the USA, the most popular summer sport is baseball. You can play it with a wooden bat, a ball, and a glove. The baseball pitch is called a diamond. There are batters and pitchers. A batter must hit the ball and then run around the diamond to score a point or a run. The batter can slide in if he wants to. And families go and support their local team. Baseball is really popular in the summer in the USA and in Japan and Cuba. But remember, 3 strikes and you're out.
In the UK, the summer sport is cricket. Like baseball, you play cricket with a wooden bat and ball. In cricket, you have bowlers and batsmen. You can score points or runs by running up and down the pitch. Cricket is also popular in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Pakistan, and India. These boys are playing in Mumbai. You can play cricket anywhere, even in the garden.